Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a pair of advanced lifts, PEDL 4036 double long lift tables. These are 12 feet wide, 4 feet deep. They do have a lowered height of 10 inches, a raised height of 43.5 inches. So that's going to give you 33.5 inches of elevation. They do have a 4,000 pound capacity. They are powered by 2 horsepower Leeson motors. Those are 208, 234, 60 volt 3-phase, currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase power. There's no leaks. We did leave these up for probably around a week. That's a good way to test for leaks. All the pistons are dry. The hoses are nice and tight. They're not dry rotted. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.